Hi, in this video we're going to look at different words that mean plus and minus. By the end of this video you should be able to recognize these different words in a sentence in order to help you solve a worded problem. Here is a table with a list of the words that mean both plus and minus. Plus, more than, add, addition, adding, total, altogether, increase, greater than, and sum. If you see those words and then some numbers around it, it probably means that they want you to add the two numbers together. If you see a minus, less than, subtract, subtraction, subtracting, difference, decrease, fewer, or take away, those words all mean to minus. So if you have some numbers with any of those words around it, it probably means that we want to subtract some numbers. Let's have a look at some examples, but first I'd like you to copy down these list of words, and if you can come up with any extra ones, I'd love you to tell me in class and we can share them on the next video. Okay, here are 6 examples that we're going to get down, but let's go through them first. The first one says, find the sum of 8 and 3. The key word here is sum, which means plus. So to shorten this sentence, I could just write it as 8 plus 3, which I know is 11. So identifying that the word sum means plus makes it easier to work out the answer. What is the difference between 9 and 6? The word difference means subtract. So I'm going to need to do 9 take away 6, which is 3. Next question, what is 10 less than 20? Again, less than is the key word here. Now if I was to write 10 take away 20, that would be incorrect. I would need to write 20 take away 10 because this 10 needs to be taken away from the 20. It needs to be less than that 20, not the other way around. It's not 20 less than 10. And the answer, of course, after you do 20 take away 10, is just 10. Number 4 says 15 take away 10. Very straightforward. Writing that as 15 minus 10 gives you an answer of 5. So it's all about identifying these key words. Increase, 8 by 2. Increase means to plus. So I'm going to need to plus the 8 and the 2. Now it doesn't matter if I do 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8 because it's going to give me an answer of 10 anyway. It's only minus that it matters, what order you do them in. The last question is kind of long. What is the total of all the numbers from 1 to 10? The word total means to add all the numbers together. So here they are. Now instead of doing 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 3, which is 6, instead of adding them as I go, I'm going to teach you a new technique. It's called chunking, where we group numbers together which make a certain addition that we like to see. In this example, it's going to be 10. Now that 1 and that 9 being added together giving me 10 is the same as the 2 and the 8, the 3 and the 7, and the 4 and the 6. So by grouping those all together, I've got 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 already. Now I just need to account for the other 2 numbers I haven't added yet, which is the 10 on the end and the 5 in the middle. It makes it a lot easier to add all these numbers up and get 55 than if I was to just trying to add them individually. Write down these examples, get the symbols written in after it, and get these examples written down. That way we can go through them next time you're in class and I can help you out if you didn't understand anything. And that's it. I hope you're able to recognize different words and understand that there are lots of different meanings and lots of different words for plus and for minus. Good luck.